welcome back to the Boss Light channel. So in today's video I want to show you how to transfer Hamster Kombat tokens to your bank account, how to withdraw money from Hamster Kombat. So first you're going to make sure that your Hamster tokens were transferred to your withdraw exchange. So this is BINACE. So first let's check if the tokens were transferred. You are going to click here on Airdrop and click withdraw. So when you click withdraw, you're going to click on exchange. As you can see, your tokens were transferred to BINACE. So let's quickly head over to BINACE to see our tokens. So you're going to see home, markets, trade, futures, and wallet. So click wallet. And as you click wallet, oh my God, what is this? I can see that I have a total of 9 USDT. My total balance is 9 USDT. And then this is Hamster. Oh my God, what a scam. You guys, stop. What? Oh my God, Hamster Kombat is the biggest scam airdrop ever. I've never seen this. Oh my God, what a scam. You guys. No. Something must be wrong. You are telling me 1,391 Hamster tokens is equivalent to just 9 USDT. Oh my God, this is worse than Notcoin. Notcoin was even better. The time that I spent playing Hamster Kombat is much more than the time I spent on Notcoin. You guys. Oh my God. You are telling me I have only 9 USDT? What the heck? Anyways, I'm going to show you how to withdraw this money to your bank account, whatever. So you guys, first you're going to make sure that this money is deposited to your funding account. Okay, you are going to get this money from spot to funding account. So what you're going to do is to click transfer. You click transfer, you're going to search for the coin you want to transfer. So search for the coin here, and I'll search Hamster Kombat and click maximum, whatever. So as you can see, I'm transferring all the money here. I'm transferring all the 9 USDT, whatever. Then click transfer from spot to funding account. So it's it's on funding account. Then click OK. Then here after that, guys, when you see 9.91 USDT, and down here you're going to see the amount you have in USDT. Again, you are going to see P2P, pay, gift card, and pull. You are going to click on P2P since you are selling your tokens. You want to withdraw money to your bank account. So once you click P2P, you are going to click sell. You are selling. Okay, so once you click sell, you are going to look for a trader that is compatible. So you are going to see USDT, amount, payment, and there is also filter. So when you click filter, this filter helps you to choose the right trader for you. Okay, and if you want to use filter, I'll show you for example, but for me I do not want to use this filter. So you have to put filter, and then here you have to put the amount you want, for example, and here you're going to see payment limit time. I advise you to always use 15 minutes. And also you're going to see payment method, so you can use bank, mobile money, Airtel money, whatever. And here it's available in all regions: Kenya, Nigeria, Rwanda, whatever. So here you're going to click confirm. That is if you use a filter. So this filter will help you filter out who will buy from you. Okay, so for me, I prefer to choose my buyer here, as I see. And we are selling 9 USDT, just 9 USDT. So you have to look for a buyer who is capable to buy 9 USDT. So we are going to keep scrolling as I'm looking for this person. Also guys, there is people who have yield tags. These people are genuine buyers. Okay, these people with yield tags. So if you want to sell, you always have to sell to these people. If someone doesn't have a yield tag, feedback must be at least 99%. Okay, so keep looking. keep looking for someone who is capable to buy from the amount you are selling. So guys, I finally found someone who is capable to buy from me, and they have at least 97% feedback. So what you do is to click sell. This person has MTN Mobile Money, Momo Pay, and Equity Bank. So I do what? I also have all these, but for me I'll use Mobile Money or Momo Pay. So click sell. Make sure that person you are going to sell to, they are willing to transfer the money to your bank account or to the withdraw exchange that you want. Okay, so guys, you're going to see that buy fiat, buy crypto. So click buy crypto, and here you're going to click the amount of USDT you are willing to sell. You can see this person is starting from just 8 USDT, and my balance is 9 USDT. So I'll sell a total of just 9 USDT, or I'll sell all. So you can just click all in case you want to sell all. And here you're going to see MTN Mobile Money, or when you click on that, you're going to see, you can choose to add your bank account in case, or you can choose to add your Momo Pay or whatever. So for me, my Momo Pay is already there, so I don't need to. And here you're going to see the amount of money you're going to be receiving. That is 36,000. Buyer is also online, as you can see. So guys, after all this is set well, you are going to see the amount you're going to be receiving. That is 36,000 shillings. And make sure you pick the amount in your currency, in your country. Okay, so guys, after that you're going to click sell USDT, and once you click sell USDT, the buyer will process the payment immediately. They'll process the money to your bank account, and if you don't see that money, do not release your crypto. You have to see the money first and then release your crypto. So first, when they send the money, you are going to see confirm and release crypto. That is when you have seen the money. If you don't see the money, do not release the crypto, please. Scammers are on Binance, baby. They are everywhere. Okay, yes, that is how you're going to sell your hamster tokens and withdraw money to your bank account. Thank you so much for watching. If you feel this video was helpful, kindly subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. See you in my next video. Bye.